Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put public in Facebook. First, navigate to your Facebook settings by clicking the downward arrow in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. On the left-hand menu, you'll find Privacy. This section is your central hub for controlling who sees your content and personal information. We'll walk through each key setting to ensure your profile is set up just how you like it. Now let's set your default audience for new posts. In the Privacy section, look for Who can see your future posts. Click Edit and choose Public from the drop-down menu. This means any new content you share will automatically be visible to everyone on and off Facebook. Remember, you can still change the audience for any specific post before you publish it, offering flexibility. What about your older posts? Facebook offers a convenient tool to manage their visibility. In the privacy settings, find Limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends or friends of friends. Clicking Limit past posts will change all previous posts shared with friends or friends of friends to public. This is a quick way to broaden the audience for your entire history. Finally, always remember the audience selector when creating a new post. It's a small drop-down menu right next to the Post button, allowing you to choose Public, Friends, or a custom audience for that specific update. Also, periodically check the privacy shortcuts for quick access to important settings. Staying informed helps you maintain full control over your Facebook presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.